Hi guys, something we have a problem on this cat tag. Look. Hold on. Oh wait, just typed. So it won't play this anymore, and the stock the server was freezing too much, and there's 14 people on it. Then do you know? Do you know why? I just saw from images. He got a knife on it. How's it got a knife? Let me show you. And there's no knife on it, but they have no item. They just removes it. So look it up. So look this up over here. There's no knife on it. They have only sword and the guns or a star. We didn't find a star. We didn't. So this one is empty item. So we can't play this anymore. But and this one is unlocked. How's it unlocked? Because they have a problem and they need to get the huge update on it.